哇，也是 interior time 哦。
哦，又是件大件的。Makane Bilu。
Mohana Lilu。
My name is Mohan. I'm the owner of this house. The idea was real time. We bought a resale unit. We didn't have any reference of theme or anything like that. So when we approached the ID interior time, they gave us a few ideas how you want the house to be like. And as well, we also wanted warm lightings and stuff like that. They took in that and they helped us align everything accordingly. We wanted our bomb shelter to be hidden, and we asked our ID for some suggestions. He came up with this idea to put a back door and feature wall to cover up the entire bomb shelter, and turned out to be great. We were looking through renovation companies via internet and social media. That's when we came across Renopedia at Facebook. Then they replied me with a very quick response, and that's how I get to know Renopedia. Me and my family were planning for a trip to Bali for quite some time, and this amount came in the right time. So finally we are planning to use this amount for that. Actually, when we decided to do a renovation, there are friends out there who told me that it can be very hassle. That's when we came across Renopedia, and they did things quick and within the time frame we wanted. All the homeowners out there, save your hassle, use Renopedia. Visit Renopedia for more information about interior design. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.